Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today is an actual mail time. I haven't done a video in ages, so this is actually going to be my first video in at least a week, maybe a bit, a little more than that. Saving. Okay, so I'm random. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so this is from Dogtown 4. I like your art. Thank you for the dinosaur. I'm gonna keep every gift. I'm gonna hold up the phone jack. This is from Pink14467. Thank you for the differ. I'm really sorry, I have a glitch which makes it so that like you all look offline when you're. This is from Dogtown 4 again. Thank you for the stained glass lamp. Animal Jam rocks from Adriana4265. That's Adriana4265. Thank you, that's lovely. It's my favourite colour, blue. Here from Dogtown 4 again. Thank you for the wheelbarrow. Hi again from Pink14467. Thank you for the big skull. And I don't care if you've already sent me a gift, I'm still going to say your user. Hey World from Adriana4265. And after I've made the video, I'll be reviewing it to see who sent the best gift, and there will be the thumbnail. Thank you very much for the princess necklace. Hi World from Pink14467. Thank you for the turquoise bracelet. Hi World, please show the world my player card. Well, here's your player card. Adriana4265. Thank you. Although I know you can get them in stores now. Bunny hat. Thanks you. I like those because they look funny. The Frozen Ghost. That's actually a really cool user. I really like your user. I am so sorry my dad called my name. It's just, thank you for that. YOLO from BNG18. Thank you for the rest of items. Here I have another cow drinking milk from BNG18. Thank you! Again. I'm so sorry again. Okay, so this is from I'm the Man 12347. Thank you for the respecter. Cow drinking milk YOLO. Thank you! I have one in my other account, but I don't care because that's really nice of you to at least send a young note. Thank you so much for the pirate's card. And then I just, okay, what should I give her? There's probably been any down. Okay, let's give her Rasfighter. I'm gonna do Smiley as a crocodile. Okay. Oh no, I've lost my place. Here we go. Thanks from Gemma45995. You're welcome for whatever I do. Thank you for the grass couch. Oh, Snowy Claw. Hi, Snowy Claw. Oh, I like your wow. I think I might keep your user. Let me write it down. See, it's in the video, so I'll be able to keep it in my head. I should remember that, so you're welcome. MP, may the cow's milk be with you. Of course. Oh, I love her. Yeah, she is funny. Okay, so let's keep on. Here from Cool Wolf 1673. Thank you for the spirit amulet. Animal Jam rocks from Bugatti, is it? I don't know. Bugatti or Bugatti 42642 for the diamond ring. Thank you. Well, I don't know where you. something I will wear it anyway. Okay, let's give you a red flower. I'm gonna have a swift as a deer. Yeah, I'm just saying that. I don't know how. I do know. Okay, so this is from Animal Jam Rocks again, from Lol. Thank you for the pillow. Here, from 123 Seahorse. Thank you for the flower crown. And that's everyone. So thank you to everyone who sent mail. I will show you the items which I've kept. These are all the items I've kept up to the elf tier. I used to only have a small amount of items for high everywhere, but now I have quite a bit. Yeah, my friend Regan, I really like her. She's really nice. I can't believe what she owns. Actually, Vitapies. I don't really know him that well, so I don't really interact with him. I'm just a buddy. Because, I don't know. I actually don't. Why? Ooh, so I'm gonna give a shout out now to all my buddies be. I'm not gonna say their names, I'm just gonna run through their tags. Okay, so there were other people who aren't. If you're on next time I'm recording, then yeah, got a shout out. As you may see, I have a pink line. That's because I traded my blue line and a British swing for the pink line because I really wanted a pink line because I like lilac. Now what I'm missing is a few items so I can make lilacs. I can almost make Julianne's look. The only thing I'm missing now is a long black wrist. Then I have everything. Because then I have the elf tie, the sunglasses, black long, and more black. I can't believe how old my black long is. I can't believe the oldest I have is a hat and beard. That's just really awkward. Okay, so I guess I will use most of my recording by phoning up my friend, and then we can talk in the recording and we can just do stuff. So yeah, I'll be right back. And I'm going to do updates in a sec as well. So squeezing more things into more video. Bye for a sec, and I'll be back in a sec when I phone my friend. I'll just still be back. Okay, I'm back. Turns out my friend wasn't available. She was on the phone with somebody else. Meanie. Anyways, sorry, that's the worst raspberry I've ever done. I'm gonna do updates now, even if I don't have a Bubble Troubles out. Daily spin stuff, that. Yeah. Just quick flyby. I'm trying to get as many gems as I can, no matter how rare the item is. I'm still gonna try and recycle it. But if it's my long black, yeah, let's recycle my long black actually. No, I'm joking. I do I did. But thank you to the people who sent rares. It's really kind of you. I'm gonna treasure all the items. I'm gonna recycle one. I don't know. Sorry, I already have a lot of things I was doing. Sorry about the princess necklace. Big skull, no way. I want to keep this actually, it's quite pretty. Sorry if I had a bunny hat. Guess I can make it look really safe. I'm sorry, I'm gonna reserve. So this is kind of all the stuff I want to keep. But yeah, oh well. 44 to 38, not that bad. So now, I have 6,000 gems on my way to 7,000. Yippee, yippee, yippee. Yay. L. Yippee, yippee, yippee. Happy, 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 happy place. Happy, 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 happy place. Happy place. I'm gonna play some games with you guys. Yeah. And Dad's probably gonna shut me in a bit because he's normal. My name is Polly, so it doesn't matter if he calls my name anymore. Cause I say so. Ha ha. Ha ha, Dad. Ow. That was my, yeah. Oh yeah, I am. Sorry, I didn't think I was those colors. I was like, what the? I'm not those colors. Well, I guess I'll show you what I think of Tyler Oakley should be if Tyler Oakley was a cat, he would look like this. Then for Tyler Oakley, he's a guy on YouTube. I think he would look a bit like, if it's gonna let me drag it, it would be helpful if it happened. No, I'm really sorry. My computer's really lagging. Okay. He would look a bit like this. Oh, I think he would. And I just put mine in there. Okay, let's do this. Yes. That's what the song is. Yes! What? Then it's going to be, kind of like darky eyes. What's it there anymore? Oh, here it is. It's a... How does that go? And then it's like a dark navy. And then just like white neck, something of white, a beard will do me fine. Black. Okay. Anytime today will be a dress up. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Like really fun. Popular. I know about popular. Not about who you are. You fancy girl. Well, I look beautiful. That looks amazing. That's attractive. Like, really attractive. So attractive. Yeah. Back. That's why I got the fairy out. Yes, no, the fairy wings. Legs. Beautiful boots. Beautiful boots. It's so kind when people offer stuff to you for free. Let's have... okay, we want this. Then we do the style, because we're styling out. We're swagging out the weirdness. He says, waiting for other players. What the... Because it never says the theme sometimes, and it gets a bit annoying. Whoa, I've never seen that type of runner. Yeah. That person did look like... yay, one person looked... I feel so amazing. Poor Rosie Gone, Princess Pretty Penguin. That's the what? Bum bum. Now I gotta look at it. Oh. White and black. And then, no, how about pink and pink. There we go. And then, this was what we had once. Neck. Back. I think I have to look. No, that looks quite cool. I'm not gonna have a look. Okay, that person does not look like that person doesn't give a long grip, isn't it? Oh, we're almost out of time. That's it. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Okay, so I'm gonna go now. Okay. Bye 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 bye. I hope you had a lovely day. Bye 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 bye. Have a great day. Bye 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 bye. I got no outro. I'm gonna make one soon.